So I totally got myself a Mickey Rice Krispie treat. And we're walking down the tracks. He's already missing his ears. So if we're walking down the tracks, that means we need to go ride the Walt Disney World Railroad, because that's what's totally good in that awesome train type of way. So let's go get up there and have some fun.
Come join us for the adventures of Bright Coaster Club. For the adventures of Bright Coaster Club.
Train time, guys. Oh yeah.
Welcome aboard, folks. We're beginning a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. With stops along the way in Frontierland and Fantasyland. Sit tight and keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs well inside the train. We're currently departing Main Street Station. And if you're missing those friendly faces already, not to worry. On this train, it's never goodbye. It's always see you real soon. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Friends, I'm so delighted you've joined us today. There's nothing I enjoy more than showing folks around this Magic Kingdom, especially because it's certified proof that in these parts, dreams really do come true. See, there was a time not so long ago that I was just a young fella on Main Street. Be the conductor of this train. And wouldn't you know it, with a bit of gumption and a dash of magic, here I am. So believe it when I say that around here, nothing is possible. See what I mean? Hope you got to come here, because that, folks, is the sound of adventure. I got to go back. Adventureland, I should say. Whether navigating wild jungle rivers, swashbuckling with jolly buccaneers, or even just scaling a towering treehouse, there's always plenty to explore here in Adventureland. This here's Frontierland. Open cowpokes, campfires, and country bears. This outpost is full of tall tales and even while just ahead is Splash Valley, where you'll find Brer Rabbit in his laughing place. Be sure to say hi. Howdy, folks. If you're just joining us, a hearty welcome aboard. We're heading for our next stop, Fantasyland, before carrying on to Main Street, USA. Everybody stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs safely inside the train. And as always, keep an eye on your little ones. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Those of you who've been riding with me for a spell already know how much I love minding this railroad. But for those times I'm fixing for something a bit wilder, Big Thunder Mountain is the place. Because there, the trains have a mind of their own. Changing scenery means we've left the rattle and rumble of that old gold mine behind. Entered my favorite leg of the journey. Lush wilderness, calm waters, and untamed beauty. Folks, we're in nature's wonderland. Isn't it something? Just think of the extraordinary things to see and do in these woods. Hiking trails, bird calls, fireflies, and starry nights. Setting out for adventure at sunrise. Telling the tale around the campfire that night. Considering how wonderful things are out here, I'm fortunate that some of my closest friends call it home. That village is a truly special place. Just about out of the woods and into the forest.
Please make sure all legs are fully inside the train. Thank you.
Listen. Hear that?
There it is! On that big metal snake. It's supposed to be it's not a snake. It's a train.
Train? Well, I think it's finally time I trained my shadow to stay put. Hey! Get back here, Shadow!
Oh, Tinkerbell, we really must find some stronger friends. And they remove them and take them someplace else.
Told you it's enchanted, and not just the forest. From the tips of castle spires to the sands under the sea, magic and happily ever afters await around every corner in Fantasyland. This is the place to soar with Dumbo, or join Goofy in his acrobatics. To the rest of Fantasyland and tomorrow. Now, these arrangements of the train has come to a complete stop. Gather your juggling pins, unicycles, and other belongings, and carry your strollers away from the platform before unfolding. That way we can start looking. Those disembarking, please watch your step, and thanks for traveling with us. I hope you join us again real soon. If you're staying aboard,
Please remain seated to be comfortable. Please stop all smells remain seated to be comfortable.
There's the wire, roller coaster right there.
All right, friends.
Right over here, there's the roller coaster. He's coming inside. Over there.
looks like we're on our way. And I'm so glad to have you with us. Next leg of our journey takes us to Main Street, USA. We'll head for Frontierland after that. Stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs inside the train at all times. Oh, and please keep an eye on your children. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos a sus pies dentro del not just because we're on the straightaway. On the trouble. That's the secret that makes intergalactic travel possible. You're it, right? Yes, sirree, in this place of boundless optimism, the possibilities are endless. You might say the sky's the limit, but even that is no obstacle in Tomorrowland. And I hope you've enjoyed your journey as much as I've appreciated being a part of it. Main Street, USA, a place where the only thing sweeter than the town smoke is the trees. After our stop, we'll be headed for Frontierland, followed by a visit to Fantasyland. Now, stay seated until our train comes to a complete stop. Then pick up your belongings.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that POV of the Walt Disney World Railroad. You know, you never know what other railroads I might film for you. Maybe I'll film the one at Disneyland that does the Grand Circle Tour and ends over at Primeval World. Maybe I'll come back here and film that one again. Oh wait, you already saw that. Why would I do that again? Maybe I'll film the one at Knott's Berry Farm where they, the bandits try to rob you. It's always a good time too. either way, you never know what other crazy fun things I'll film for you guys. Please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe here on YouTube. Love you all. Stay safe, beautiful, and amazing.
Come join us for the adventures of Pride Coastal Club. For the adventures of Pride Coastal Club.